Hi guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to submit your project 3, the image processor. So the first thing you want to make sure is that your file paths look like this. They should just be input slash car.txt. There should not be any like double backslashes, like it shouldn't be this. It should not be something like this. Make sure it is exactly input / car.txt and the same for output. And to make sure this debugs properly on C-line, go ahead and go into CMake build debug and drag your input and output folders into there. And here's my input. So just to show it working, if I run this, all this is doing is inputting into an output file, and there's my output file. The next thing to make sure is that your CMake lists has this image dash processor here. This is the name of the executable, which you can see is called in here. So to make sure you submit this properly, go into your CLion projects in your directory of your project, right-click CMake lists and source. These are the only two files you should zip, compress to a zip file, and put into your project name. And this is the zip that you'll submit. So on our end, what we're going to do, if you want to test this yourself, is we're going to go into a directory like this with our input and our output files. Output will be empty, and input will have all of your TGA files, and there will also be examples in here as well to compare. And we're going to extract this into this directory. Just like this. And you're going to see you have source, CMake list, input, and output all in here. And we're just going to go in and run these exact same commands that it shows in your specification. So here's the compiling CMake. Here's running make. And then here's running image processor. And as you can see, if you go into output, here is our car.txt. So again, just make sure that your file paths are correct and you zip the files the way I showed. And you should only be zipping your source and your CMake lists. And if you want to test it yourself, you can run these commands exactly how they are here. If you have trouble installing CMake or anything like that, you can come to my office hours and I can help you guys set it up. If you have any more questions, let me know.